Hello and welcome. My name is András Tálas. I would like to show you in this short video how to use the eSIM tracer to capture the APDU log between the eSIM and the baseband while downloading a real MNO profile to a phone. So let's start. On the left hand side of the screen you can see the eSIM tracer, and on the right hand side you can see the mobile phone I'm using for downloading. I choose the Add SIM option, and then the downloading starts first by searching for the profile. Once the profile is found, I can start the installation, and we can see the APDUs exchanged during the installation. Lots of store data commands are sent, and this is what you can see on the interface of the eSIM tracer. Later on, we will look at these commands in detail. Once the installation is finished, I can activate my SIM. I need to go to the settings, choose the profile, and turning on the profile. During the enabling of the profile, select commands and proactive commands are exchanged. Once the enabling of the profile is finished, the profile can be used. Let's take a look at the store data command first. If we go to the command and go down to the translation, we can see that this is an authenticate server request command. It is sent to the EUICC to authenticate the server from which the profile will be downloaded. If we take a look at the data inside this command and looking at the server address, we can see here eSIM-prod-on-demand-connectivity.com, which is the server address of a real-life server. Let's take a look at two more store data commands. One of them, from the translation, we can see profile info list request with a profile info list response. From the profile info list response, we can see that the installed and enabled profile is an operational profile, and after decoding the MCC MNC value, we can see that this profile is from Telefonica Germany. And one more store data command, which is a list notification request. From the list notification response, we can see that the local enable notification has been sent to the eSIM-prod-on-demand-connectivity.com, which is a production server.